Today we have with us Milind Santa sir. He is here to guide us about career in mechanical engineering. He is a mechanical engineer. He has worked in Jnanaprabodhini and also in Bharat Forge. Currently he is having his own business. Let's start with first question. After 10th, which stream and which subjects are necessary to be a mechanical engineer?
Any engineering discipline implicitly means analysis, synthesis and application. And all these are taken care of in science stream. So basically you have to be a science student or from the science background to go into the engineering discipline.
Can you please guide us about the degree and diploma courses in engineering?
In any field you have different entry points, and by degree and diploma there are two different courses actually, and whenever you are looking at a shop floor type of job, you normally go in for a diploma course which is generally held after 10th. And if you want to go into a higher category jobs like many research also and design applications, then and a theoretical application also, because degree course covers mainly the theoretical approach, whereas diploma course covers the actual instrumentation handling, machine operation approach. So there are two different courses. The diploma course can be approached after 10th, whereas degree you have to do the 12th and then the courses are there.
Can you please guide us about the different institutions of these courses in India and abroad, and what is their fee structure? Is it necessary to get good marks in maths and to have liking for maths to be a mechanical engineer?
Well, these are two different questions. People do have phobia for maths. Getting marks and liking, they are two different things, I suppose. In any field, if you want to succeed, not only in engineering, you should have some liking for mathematics, because mathematics helps you everywhere in your life. Getting good marks is a different thing. Yes, if you want to get admitted to the engineering course, physics, chemistry and mathematics, these are the subjects which are considered. So getting good marks is to get the admission in the course, whereas to succeed in life, you generally need to have mathematics as your liking. Generally, mechanical engineering should have a good base in physics and mathematics, as I say.
How students should start preparing at school level to go in engineering field?
I always feel that as a student you should have a liking for all the subjects. You should know a subject beyond what is taught in the textbooks. Especially for science subjects, you should know what is to be learnt beyond what is being taught. So all the science subjects, all the mathematics subjects, you should learn to observe things. Basically in engineering you have to observe, you have to implement, and therefore as a student you should absorb everything as a sponge absorbs water. So that is the kind of preparation should inherently go within you, and parents should guide their pupil to learn everything not by heart and not just from the textbook, but from beyond what is being told.
After being a mechanical engineer, which are the job opportunities available and what type of work is done in this field?
Well, nowadays the job opportunities are in plenty. All the mechanical engineers should know that the manufacturing hubs from all over the world of all the companies, they are concentrating India as their manufacturing hub. So right from a machinist to the manager level or maybe director level, there are a lot of job opportunities presently. And as a mechanical engineer, I am proud to say that this is a golden time for all of us to know.
Generally, it is considered that mechanical engineer means he has to work with machines, and there is very limited scope for girls. So, what do you think?
This is partly true, maybe half truth, but as a woman yourself, you should be knowing that girls or women are now in every field, and they are not afraid to enter even an unknown area. So, yes, working on a machine is also a tough and physically challenging task, but girls do it. If they have a liking for that particular job, they do it. But apart from that, in mechanical engineering, there are research fields, there are design fields, wherein a girl can show her talent, and she can also be a part of the mechanical engineering team.
According to you, what is the difference between Indian communication and global communication?
By communication, probably you mean interaction of various people, or maybe the language of communication. The basic language obviously is English normally, and presently it is more of an Indian English language, so everybody is comfortable with it. But if you consider various other, in MNCs especially, multinational companies, where there are various other people also involved, not knowing English, the basic language is engineering. And so if a team knows what engineering interaction is being done, then that's not a big problem nowadays. I'll give an example where an Italian boss always conversed with a machinist who did not know even English, but they knew their engineering, so they could converse very effectively. So communication is generally not a problem in engineering field.
Which different computer softwares a student should learn to be a mechanical engineer? And many times it is seen that many engineers shift to IT sector. So what is your opinion on it?
Well, if you consider mechanical engineering, AutoCAD is generally a very popular software available. There is ProE also, which gives you further advantages. There are 3D softwares also. But regarding your second question, yes, there is a trend to move to IT very quickly, and simply because it pays you well. But generally the basic subjects, which is mechanical engineering or civil engineering or even electronics engineering, now all these fields are booming up. So as I said, all the multinationals are coming to India. So all these fields also have a good opportunity, and therefore they will also start paying well. They have also always paid well, and they are also starting paying well. So I think people will now think twice before going to IT field.
Coming to the last question, what according to you are the new and future trends in this field?
Well, the future is bright, definitely. But if you see the various scopes or maybe trends, as you say, we are very intelligent people, as I say, and apart from the basic engineering, only the application part, we have various design and research institutes also, which are helping students to come up with new ideas. As I say, the manufacturing hub has also come to India, Asian countries, I'll say, and people can also move out all over the world for various experimentation. So the future is bright. Everybody can work in all these disciplines and enhance the experience. They can get the knowledge and apply and implement it well. So future is definitely bright.
Today, Milind sir came here and gave us very much information about career in mechanical engineering. This information will really be helpful for the students who want to pursue this career. Thanks sir for coming here.